Welcome to TechMinds. Today, we're exploring the latest in agricultural machinery. Join us as we discover the innovations revolutionizing farming practices. The Agronomic WR Series rake is an essential tool in modern agriculture, specifically designed for raking and windrowing hay, straw, and other forage crops. This machine is known for its exceptional performance and durability, making it a popular choice among farmers and agricultural professionals. One of the key features of the Agronomic WR Series rake is its versatility. It can be easily adjusted to rake a wide range of crops, making it suitable for use in various farming applications. The rake's adjustable settings allow farmers to customize the raking width and windrow size, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. The CT Turner Composter is a revolutionary machine that is designed to efficiently convert organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. This composting machine features a turning mechanism that helps aerate the compost pile, speeding up the decomposition process and producing high-quality compost in a shorter period. One of the key features of the CT Turner Composter is its efficiency. The turning mechanism ensures that the compost pile is properly aerated, allowing beneficial bacteria to thrive and break down organic matter quickly. This results in faster composting times and higher quality compost, making it ideal for large-scale composting operations. Another key feature of the CT Turner Composter is its versatility. It can be used to compost a wide range of organic materials, including food scraps, yard waste, and agricultural residues. This makes it a valuable tool for farmers, municipalities, and composting facilities looking to reduce waste and produce high-quality compost. The CT Turner Composter is also designed for ease of use. It features intuitive controls and a user-friendly design, making it easy for operators to adjust settings and monitor the composting process. This ease of use makes the CT Turner Co. The H2Tracheox 175 diesel-electric tractor is a cutting-edge agricultural machine that combines the power of a diesel engine with the efficiency of an electric motor. This innovative tractor is designed to provide farmers with a sustainable and cost-effective solution for their farming needs. One of the key features of the H2Tracheox 175 diesel-electric tractor is its hybrid powertrain. The tractor is equipped with a diesel engine that provides the primary source of power, while an electric motor assists during heavy loads or acceleration. This hybrid system allows the tractor to operate more efficiently, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The H2Tracheox 175 diesel-electric tractor is also equipped with advanced technology that enhances its performance and efficiency. It features a sophisticated control system that optimizes the tractor's operation, ensuring maximum efficiency and productivity. The tractor also comes with a range of smart features, such as GPS guidance and auto steering, which make farming operations more precise and efficient. The Coffee K3000 Coffee Harvester is a specialized machine designed for harvesting coffee beans. This machine is designed to improve efficiency and reduce labor costs associated with manual harvesting methods. One of the key features of the Coffee K3000 coffee harvester is its ability to harvest coffee beans quickly and efficiently. The machine is equipped with a series of rotating brushes that gently remove the coffee beans from the trees, ensuring minimal damage to the beans. This results in higher quality coffee beans and a higher yield per harvest. The Coffee K3000 coffee harvester is also designed for ease of use. It features intuitive controls and a user-friendly design, making it easy for operators to operate the machine effectively. The machine is also equipped with a range of safety features, such as emergency stop buttons and safety guards, which ensure the safety of the operator during operation. In addition to its efficiency and ease of use, the Coffee K3000 coffee harvester is also designed for durability. It features a robust construction that can withstand the rigors of daily use in challenging agricultural environments. This durability ensures that the machine will provide reliable performance for many harvest seasons to come. The SimHoist XCA600 all-terrain crane is a versatile and powerful machine designed for lifting and moving heavy loads in all types of terrain. This crane is equipped with a range of features that make it ideal for use in construction, mining, and other industries where heavy lifting is required. One of the key features of the SimHoist XCA600 all-terrain crane is its ability to operate on rough and uneven terrain. The crane is equipped with large, rugged tires that provide excellent traction on muddy or rocky surfaces, allowing it to maneuver easily in challenging conditions. This makes the crane ideal for use in remote locations or construction sites with difficult terrain. The SimHoist XCA600 all-terrain crane is also designed for safety and efficiency. It features a range of safety features, such as overload protection and emergency stop buttons, which ensure the safety of the operator and bystanders during operation. The crane is also equipped with a range of advanced features, such as telescopic booms and hydraulic controls, which make it easy to lift and move heavy loads with precision. The CMI Trash Master is a specialized machine designed for collecting and compacting trash in urban environments. This machine is equipped with a range of features that make it ideal for use in cities and towns where efficient waste management is essential. One of the key features of the CMI Trash Master is its compact design. The machine is small enough to maneuver through narrow streets and alleys, making it ideal for collecting trash in crowded urban areas. Despite its size, the Trash Master is capable of collecting large volumes of trash thanks to its powerful compaction system. The CMI Trash Master is also designed for efficiency. It features a high-capacity compactor that can compress trash into compact bundles, reducing the number of trips required to empty the machine. This not only saves time and labor, but also reduces fuel consumption and emissions, making it a more environmentally friendly option for waste management. In addition to its efficiency, the CMI Trash Master is also designed for durability. It features a rugged construction that can withstand the rigors of daily use in urban environments, ensuring that it will provide reliable performance for many years to come. The 360 rain irrigation system is a state-of-the-art agricultural machine designed to efficiently irrigate crops with minimal water wastage. This system utilizes a 360-degree rotating sprinkler head that evenly distributes water over a large area, ensuring that crops receive the optimal amount of water for healthy growth. One of the key features of the 360 rain irrigation system is its efficiency. The system is designed to deliver water directly to the roots of the plants, reducing water wastage and ensuring that crops receive the moisture they need for optimal growth. This efficient watering system can help farmers save water and reduce their overall water consumption, making it a sustainable choice for irrigation. The 360 rain irrigation system is also designed for ease of use. It can be easily programmed to water crops at specific times and intervals, allowing farmers to automate their irrigation schedule. The system is also equipped with sensors that can detect moisture levels in the soil, ensuring that crops receive the right amount of water at the right time. In addition to its efficiency and ease of use, the 360 rain irrigation system is also designed for durability. It features a rugged construction that can withstand the rigors of daily use in agricultural settings, ensuring that it will provide reliable performance for many growing seasons to come. The LR1500 crawler crane is a heavy-duty machine designed for lifting and moving heavy loads in construction and industrial settings. This crane is equipped with a range of features that make it ideal for use in challenging environments where high lifting capacities are required. One of the key features of the LR1500 crawler crane is its high lifting capacity. The crane is capable of lifting heavy loads weighing up to 500 tons, making it ideal for use in large-scale construction projects and industrial applications. Its impressive lifting capacity makes it a valuable asset for companies looking to lift and move heavy equipment and materials. The LR1500 crawler crane is also designed for stability and maneuverability. It features a crawler track system that provides excellent traction on uneven or slippery surfaces, allowing the crane to maneuver easily in challenging environments. The crane's stable design ensures that it can lift and move heavy loads safely and efficiently, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. In addition to its lifting capacity and stability, the LR1500 crawler crane is also designed for ease of use. It features intuitive controls and a user-friendly design, making it easy for operators to operate the crane effectively. The crane is also equipped with a range of safety features, such as overload protection and emergency stop buttons, which ensure the safety of the operator and bystanders during operation. The Husqvarna DXR300 demolition machine is a powerful and versatile machine designed for demolishing buildings and structures. This machine is equipped with a range of features that make it ideal for use in demolition projects of all sizes. One of the key features of the Husqvarna DXR300 demolition machine is its power. The machine is equipped with a powerful hydraulic system that allows it to break through concrete, brick, and other tough materials with ease. This makes it ideal for demolishing buildings and structures quickly and efficiently. The Husqvarna DXR300 demolition machine is also designed for precision. It features a range of attachments, such as hydraulic breakers and crushers, that allow operators to demolish structures with precision and accuracy. This ensures that the machine can be used in tight spaces or areas where precision is required. In addition to its power and precision, the Husqvarna DXR300 demolition machine is also designed for safety. It features a range of safety features, such as a reinforced cab and emergency stop buttons, which ensure the safety of the operator and bystanders during operation. The machine also comes with a range of advanced features, such as remote-controlled operation, which further enhances its safety and usability. The Mastenbrook 4020 drainage plow is a specialized machine designed for installing drainage systems in agricultural fields. This machine is equipped with a range of features that make it ideal for use in improving soil drainage and increasing crop yields. One of the key features of the Mastenbrook 4020 drainage plow is its efficiency. The machine is capable of installing drainage pipes quickly and efficiently, reducing the time and labor required for drainage installation. This makes it ideal for use in large-scale agricultural operations where efficient drainage is essential for crop health. The Mastenbrook 4020 drainage plow is also designed for precision. It features a range of sensors and controls that allow operators to install drainage pipes with precision and accuracy. This ensures that the drainage system is installed correctly, maximizing its effectiveness in improving soil drainage and crop yields. In addition to its efficiency and precision, the Mastenbrook 4020 drainage plow is also designed for durability. It features a rugged construction that can withstand the rigors of daily use in agricultural settings, ensuring that it will provide reliable performance for many years to come. Overall, the Mastenbrook 4020 drainage plow is a versatile and efficient machine that offers exceptional performance in installing drainage systems. Its efficiency, precision, and durability make it an invaluable tool for farmers looking to improve soil drainage and increase crop yields.